I'd like to quickly show you today how you can use client testimonials and integrate them inside your SPP workspace. So you can do this on a lot of pages inside the portal if you have access to templates. In this case, I went to do it inside an order form. So this is how an order form looks like. On the left, the services you're selling along with all the input fields for emails, address, and so on. And you can see on the right, it will show all the items that are pre-selected. But below that, there's a lot of space that you can utilize. And the way to do it is you go to this page that I will link to below the video, and then just copy this code that I set up. And inside settings, go to templates, public folder, and then in the order form template, if you scroll down a little bit, right below the coupon field, you can just copy paste it, save this template, and now if we reload, you can see the testimonials will show up. Now there are two. You just need to replace the image icons, ideally hosted somewhere on your own web space so that it's the same domain. Change the actual testimonial, the name and the company, and then you're pretty much set. I wouldn't recommend using more than two on this page because as you can see, it pretty much fills up a small screen already. So one or two should be enough.